Using AI writing tools for client work can save you time and boost your productivity, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use them effectively. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media copy, or email campaigns, AI tools can enhance your workflow. But there are a few key strategies to keep in mind to make sure you get the best results. Stick around until the end, where I'll share the software I recommend and an exclusive free trial for you to try. Let's start with understanding why AI writing tools are so effective for client work. First off, they help streamline your process. No more starting from scratch for every project. Instead, you can generate ideas, outlines, and even full drafts quickly, leaving more time for refinement and customization. But here's the trick. AI tools should assist, not replace, your creative input. Now, let's break down how you can use AI writing tools in a few simple steps. Step 1, choose the right tool. Not all AI writing tools are the same. Some are better for certain types of content, like blog posts, while others might be more geared towards social media captions or email copy. For client work, make sure the tool you pick allows for a level of customization and personalization. For example, the software we'll be using in this video offers flexible templates that can be adjusted based on your client's specific needs. Step 2, start with a strong prompt. The key to getting quality results from AI writing tools is how you prompt them. For client work, be as specific as possible. If you're writing an email campaign, you might say something like, write a friendly email introducing our new product to a tech-savvy audience. The more detailed your instructions, the better the output will be. It's not just about generating content, it's about generating content that aligns with your client's voice and needs. Step 3, refine the output. AI tools give you a great starting point, but they won't be perfect right out of the box. Go through the text and make adjustments as needed. Look for places where the tone needs to be tweaked, or where you can add more personality or depth. AI can help you with structure and basic ideas, but it's up to you to make it shine. Step 4, incorporate SEO if necessary. For client work like blog posts or web content, make sure to optimize the AI-generated content for search engines. This includes adding keywords, using proper formatting, and ensuring the content is readable. Many AI writing tools have built-in features to help with SEO, which can save you time and ensure the content performs well online. Finally, step 5, review and deliver. Once you've refined the content, check it for errors and make sure it fits within your client's brief. It's essential to deliver polished work, and AI tools can give you the foundation to do that faster. Don't forget to always run a final quality check to ensure it aligns with your client's standards. The key takeaway from this video is that AI writing tools can greatly enhance your efficiency for client work, but they should be used as a starting point, not a final product. Always ensure the content fits your client's voice and needs, and don't be afraid to refine and customize the AI-generated text. Remember, AI can save you time, but your expertise will make the content truly valuable. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, and it's a great way to follow along with this tutorial and get started on your own projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.